Let us observe this video. This is a video about like question C on page 17. It is a video on demand by a child. A doubt was put up, so I am making this video. I am solving question C on page 17 in the book. So here we going to do division very quickly. As the rule says, we will pick first 4 digits because we know the divisor is of 4 digits. So this 1111 is bigger than 1011. Yes or no? Yes. So the dividend value right now is bigger than divisor value. So division will go 1 times quickly. 1 0 1 1. Let's minus 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 0 1, and 1 minus 1 is, we don't need the leftmost 0. Yes or no? Yes, we don't need that. So what we do now? Now you can see here that now I will take down the next bit. So next bit is taken as 1. Okay. Now look at the value. The value is 1001. 1001 is not bigger than or equals to 1011. So division will not go. So division will not go means we will put 0 here. Okay. Let's put 0 here. If we put 0 here, so 1011 minus 0. Okay. Obviously it is going to give the same value. So I will take down this next bit 1. Sorry. 1. Okay, now it will go 1 times. 1011. Okay, let me subtract. So if I subtract it, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, and 10 minus 1. We know the rule of subtraction. 1 0 minus 1 always gives what? 1. So this is 1. So I got basically the value 1000. Okay. Now what we going to do is we going to take next one down. This one I am taking. So this one is coming down. It will go again 1 times. So 1000. The divisor 1011. 1 minus 1 0. We know the binary subtraction very well. I explained very well in question B recording also. So 10 minus 1 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and this was already 0. So the leftmost things we don't want. Now I got 110. So I will take down the next bit. Yes, the next bit 1 has come here. Now I have to see 1101 is bigger than 1011. Yes. So division will go how many times? 1 times. 1 0 1 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1 0. 10 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 1 minus 1 0. Just cross it. So we got 10 here. If we got 10 here, the next thing which I have to take is the next one down. This next one has come down. Now I got 101. Oh my god. It's very smaller value compared to my divisor. Yes or no? Yes. So division will not go. If division will not go, so what will come here? 0. Do we have some more bits to take down? No. So the final thing is 101 only. So the remainder answer is 101 written at the bottom, and quotient is always on the top. It is here 10110. See, I again repeat, to know the binary subtraction you must be strong enough in binary division. If you want to do, you should be strong enough in binary subtraction. Thank you.